Suppose you want to send a confirmation SMS or any custom message to yourself or respondents after a form is submitted. In that case, you can enable SMS notifications in the settings phase. This is especially useful in scenarios like registration forms, order forms, complaint and feedback forms, online tests, and many others. For example, in a customer satisfaction form, the CX team can be immediately notified when a dissatisfied customer submits a response, allowing them to follow up quickly. At the same time, the respondent receives a confirmation SMS that their complaint has been recorded. In an order form, complete order details can be sent via SMS without needing to check the results table constantly, and the customer receives a tracking code immediately. In an online exam, the test taker can receive an SMS confirming their submission. To use this feature, go to the Create phase, click on Notifications, and then select SMS Notifications. You can choose whether to notify the form creator, the respondent, or both. By default, your registered mobile number in Porsline will be used as the recipient, but you can add additional numbers if needed. Next, choose whether you want to send messages using Porsline's sender ID or your SMS gateway. If you use Porsline's gateway, the message content is fixed, and you'll only be able to select from predefined templates. To send fully customized messages, connect your SMS provider and configure it from this section. When sending SMS to respondents, there are 3 ways to define the recipient's phone number. Use a short text question with a mobile number pattern. Enable SMS authentication, or use custom variables to pass the phone numbers into the form. For the first method, go to the Create phase, add a short text question, and apply the mobile number input pattern. To enable SMS authentication, select this option from the Respondent Authentication section in Settings. Respondents enter their mobile number, receive a one-time code, and only then gain access to the form. Once they submit their answers, a confirmation SMS is automatically sent to the same number. In both of these methods, the phone number is collected directly from the respondent. However, if you already have the numbers beforehand, you can use custom variables instead. Define a custom variable in the Create phase, pass the number through the form link, and select this variable as the recipient for SMS notifications, so the respondent receives an SMS without ever entering their number on the form. You can also define filters to control when and to whom SMS notifications are sent. For instance, you might set up a filter named Dissatisfied Customers so that you, as the form creator, only receive a message if a response to a specific question is rated below 4. Any custom filter created in the Results section can also be used to trigger conditional SMS notifications. To learn how to make the most of this feature, we recommend watching How to Use Report Builder for Enterprise Accounts. SMS notifications are available in Porsline Enterprise. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help.